Hey, financially savvy travelers. I hope all is well. I want to do a better job at popping in and sharing with you when I have cool and exciting things coming up. And this is one of them. So I would absolutely love it if you would join me at Women's Travel Fest happening March 3rd to the 5th in New York City. Women's Travel Fest is the world's largest event for solo female travelers with a mission of inspiring and connecting women who love to travel. Over 3 days, share travel tips and tricks designed to help you uplevel your travel skills and explore the world. If adventure is your passion, then join hundreds of other women who feel the same. Sessions I'm really excited about include how to recession-proof your travels and rent your house, save and make money while traveling. I'm hosting a podcasting workshop at Women's Travel Fest, which I'm really excited about on Friday, March 3rd, 2023, sharing how to launch and grow a hit travel podcast. If you have dreams of starting a travel podcast, then in this 2-hour workshop, I'll walk you through how to launch a show that stands out and what you need to grow long term. Again, I'd absolutely love it if you would join me. Leave this session with a simple tech setup, a list of episodes that you're excited to produce, and a marketing plan that boosts discoverability from day one. Spots are extremely limited at 20 guests, so please RSVP today. Use the promo code Danielle Desir, which gives you 15% off tickets. That promo code again is Danielle Desir for 15% off. The link will be in the show notes. By the way, if you're looking for a speaker for your event, please feel free to reach out to me at thethoughtcard@gmail.com. I cover topics like podcast marketing and growth, podcast monetization, specifically working with brands, and also how to find and win grants to support your creative project and business. I'd love to connect with you. All right, y'all, that is all that I have for you. This is very short and sweet. Just wanted to share with you that. And I will definitely be circling back and letting you know how the workshop went and generally my thoughts about a Women's Travel Fest. I had a pleasure of attending the festival a couple years ago, so I'm so excited to reconnect with the travel community. I'll catch you in another episode.